one thing that we would love is to have even more communication with the regulators that the banks are talking to, because often the case is that the regulator will say, hey, what is this user doing on this transaction? Or like, what's the process we have here? And then our bank partners have to ask us and say, okay, what happened in this situation? Or what's the process for this? And then we have to it's kind of a game of telephones back and forth. I would love that to be a direct relationship, because we really do try to go above and beyond. And I think there's a lot of nuance to all of this stuff, right? Like I'm an engineer, and when I started Mercury, I was like, of course, we have all of these laws, and everyone's like, everything's black and white, right? Like it's law or not law. Where, there's just I actually just sat through kind of like how our ops people like monitor an app for fraud. And there's so much like holistic thinking you have to put into this kind of stuff, because it's not one fraud thing, which, I mean, sometimes it is just one fraud red flag, but it's actually like a ton of different factors that you're like, okay, you make this decision based on like these 7 factors, and maybe 2 of them are like orange flags, but like 7 together is like enough that you make a decision. But you do this across all of compliance, risk, and fraud, and all of these areas. So I would love for there to be more closer dialogue beyond us talking to our partner banks and them talking to the regulators.